Have you ever checked your bank balance and felt like you just watched a horror movie? Where did the money go? Did it join a cult? Did it move to Hawaii without you? You work hard, you earn, and then poof. It evaporates. You're left with a collection of random Amazon boxes and a very quiet bank account. Don't blame yourself. School taught you that mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell, but they forgot to mention how to not be broke by Tuesday. The problem is the one account trap. Most people throw all their money into one digital bucket. Your rent, your groceries, and your I-board bought a drone money are all touching. It's like making a smoothie out of strawberries and dirty socks. It's confusing, it's messy, and it's going to taste terrible when you try to pay your bills. But today, we fix the smoothie. We're moving to the 3-account system. It's financial laundry sorting, but it makes you rich, simple, witty, and effective. Account 1, the spend account. This is your daily life zone. Rent, food, and the essential, I need this coffee to survive money. Rule, this is the only account that gets a debit card. If you're out and about, this is the only money you can see. It's your digital leash. When this account is empty, you stop. The party is over. You go home and eat the bread you already bought. No guessing, no borrowing from your future self. Account 2, the save account. This is your financial fortress. This is the My Car Exploded fund, or the roof is leaking money. Do not get a debit card for this one. Make it hard to reach. It should take more effort to get this money than it takes to explain your browser history. This account doesn't buy you shoes, it buys you sleep. It's the reason you don't panic when the world gets weird. It's peace in a digital jar. Account 3, the Grow account. This is the VIP section. This is your future freedom fund. This is the money that lets you retire before you're a mummy. This money is for investing. You plant it today, you ignore it for 20 years, and it grows into a massive golden forest. It's lazy wealth, the best kind. This is the long game. You don't touch this for a sale, a vacation, or a fancy dinner. You let it work while you're busy being awesome at your life. Now, how do you split the loot? Try the I'm new at this 50-30-20 rule. Half for today, 30% for protection, and 20% for future you. 50% goes to spend. This handles your needs and those little joys that keep you from becoming a financial monk. Balance is key. 30% goes to save. We're building that safety net fast. Once the net is full, you can move this percentage to the Grow account. Aggressive protection. The last 20% goes to Grow. You are paying your future self a salary before anyone else gets a dime. It's an investment in your freedom. Low income? No problem. Use the 70-20-10 split. The exact number matters less than the habit. Even if it's just $5, start the system today. The real magic trick? Automation. You should never have to manually move this money. That's too much work, and we already established we hate work. Set up auto transfers on your payday. Your money should split itself before you even have a chance to think about spending it on a fancy juicer you won't use. Willpower is a liar. It gets tired, it gets hungry, and it loves sales. But systems? Systems don't have feelings. They just obey orders. Let the robot be your discipline. Beware the lifestyle inflation trap. If you get a raise, don't just buy a bigger TV. Your spend account stays the same. The extra money goes to Grow. Don't run faster on the treadmill. This is how you break the cycle. You stop running just to stay in place. You start building a foundation that stays solid even when you stop running. Don't compare your bank account to someone else's Instagram feed. They might have the fancy car loan, but you have the growing golden forest. Choose wealth over looking wealthy. Real freedom is the ability to say no. No to a job you hate, no to stress, and no to working forever. True wealth is owning your time. This system isn't just about accounts. It's about your identity. You're becoming someone who controls their future instead of someone who hopes for the best. Here is your challenge. It takes less than an hour this weekend, but it will change the next 40 years of your life. Are you ready to level up? Step 1, open 2 new bank accounts. It's free, it's fast, and it's the most productive thing you'll do all year. Just create the spaces. Step 2, give them names that excite you. The Fortress, Future Me's Yacht, or just Life. Labels have power. They remind you why you're doing this. Step 3, set up the auto transfers. Calculate your split and hit that confirm button. This is the moment the autopilot turns on and the stress turns off. The second you hit confirm, a weight will lift. You've just fired yourself as your own stressful accountant and hired a perfect, non-judgmental robot. Breath in that freedom. Start tiny if you have to. Even if it's $10 a month, the win is in the system, not just the amount. Build the muscle today, get the gains tomorrow. Imagine where this system takes you in 5 years. The compound effect of these 3 jars is staggering. You're not just saving, you're building an empire. This is how you buy back your future. You're making sure you don't work because you have to, but because you want to. That's the dream. You aren't alone. Thousands are reclaiming their peace with this system. It's effective, it's simple, and it's time for you to join the club. Recap: 1 account for life, 1 for safety, and 1 for growth. Automate the split and let the system do the heavy lifting for you. The hardest part is the first 5 minutes. Opening that first account. Do it now. Don't let another paycheck vanish into the 1 account black hole. If this made sense to your brain and your wallet, hit subscribe. We're on a mission to make money simple. Join the Stick Money Club. Thanks for watching. Now go set up those accounts. Your future self is already cheering you on. See you in the next one. Seriously, go. The robot is already doing the work. You have time to go argue about pineapple on pizza now. Enjoy! Bye for now. Stay smart, stay organized, and stay sticky. Catch you later. Stick Money Club. Building wealth, 1 stick man at a time. The end. Really this time.